Okay, so now we're going to look at how you can pause your Talkspace plan or stop and cancel your Talkspace plan. We're also going to be talking about a secret strategy that you can use to get a refund. I'm going to be sharing my email conversation and showing you how you can get a refund as well, which is more difficult on Talkspace than you might think. So, if you like this content, just remember to subscribe as well. If you want to learn more about mental health reviews and get behind the scenes info, be sure to subscribe. Let me know in the comments below too what type of mental health service you'd like me to review. Okay, so with that being said, we're just going to go through this. I'll get to the refunds at the end, but we're just going to go through how you can pause and ultimately cancel your subscription. So let's just click on that. Pretty simple. You just click pause therapy, paused, easy. And then to cancel your account, you simply go to the top left corner with your nickname, go down to view payment and plan, scroll down, and now we're going to, I guess, resume it so that we can cancel it. Continue. Done. Now active. So important to note too that when you pause, you cannot cancel your subscription when you're paused because it pauses your subscription. So if your subscription was going to renew on the 23rd, if you paused for 7 days, which is the time period you're allowed to pause for, the maximum time period, your next billing would be on the 30th, in this case for me. But I have unpaused and now I am going to head and cancel Talkspace or stop my subscription renewal. So we're going to click. So when you are canceling, they will give you a $150 discount towards your next payment. So that could incentivize you to stay. But I'm going to say no thanks, please don't renew my subscription. Instead of canceling, would you like to pause your subscription for 30 days? So you can pause it for 30 days instead of freezing it. I'm going to say no, I'm not interested. So they have over 3,000 licensed therapists. I'm going to say no, I'm not interested in it. Now at the end, when you're going to cancel, you'll be given the option to go to a Talkspace maintenance plan for $199 a month. But what this is you simply text your therapist for a bit of accountability 1 day a week. Cancel subscription. Cool. Close. Now let me show you how you can get a refund as well. So I'm going to share with you my email conversation, and essentially what I am doing is okay, so in terms of getting a refund, you can see that Talkspace has emailed me saying that I'd be eligible for a refund of 207. So Talkspace will not reimburse you for sessions you've had, and usually they do not allow you to get refunds for any sessions remaining. You pay throughout your billing period. This is one of the biggest online complaints, but that's how Talkspace does things normally. Now, how did I get a refund, whereas other people online have really struggled to get refunds? I'm going to share with you the initial message I sent. Here's the initial message I sent. I was looking for male therapists who specialize in relationship difficulties but wasn't able to find any. I was wondering if there was a list of therapists I could look at or just in general how specific I can selection. So very important. When I went to the Talkspace change provider directory, I searched for male therapists and I said I wanted them to specialize in relationship difficulties. Their search results did not give me any male therapists who specialize in relationship difficulties. Because of this is the reason I believe they were obligated to give me a refund because they offered the selection for a male therapist who specialized in relationship difficulties, but they could not deliver on their selection criteria that I chose. So if you want a refund at Talkspace, what you need to do is go to their change a provider tab. You would need to find a gender and specialization which was not covered. So that way, when you ask for a refund, you would have that as your basis for getting a refund. Now, I'm going to go through and show you that the Talkspace team does customer support is pretty slow. So March 1st, I get a response back March 5th. Then I get another response back March 9th. I get another one back 12th. Alrighty, so that is Talkspace. If you want more reviews, be sure to leave a comment down below with the next online mental health service I should document, explore, research, analyze, experiment with, and share with you. And be sure to subscribe as well for notifications on new reviews and other useful information about online mental health. Okay, have a good one.